Welcome to the Parents Guide. Hi there, and welcome to Young CEO Squad. So your child opened their kid business startup kit and dove right in, and now you're wondering, what exactly is this and how do I help? You're in the right place. This kit is more than just a fun activity. It's your child's first hands-on experience with entrepreneurship, money skills, and building real-world confidence. Whether they're earning, spending money, trying something new, or simply bonding with you, this kit gives them the tools to create and grow their own small business. What's in the kit? Each kit includes products to sell, a printed getting started guide, a pricing reference sheet, goal and profit tracking worksheets, a business planning page, tips for customer conversations and service, shipping instructions, expense and profit tools, and links to helpful videos at YoungCEOSquad.com/learn. This kit teaches more than how to sell. It helps your child build confidence, communication skills, and decision-making abilities that last a lifetime. And here's where your role really matters. If your child is 8 to 10 years old, they'll likely need more direct help. Someone to sit with them, talk through ideas, and help fill out worksheets. If they're a little older, 11 or 12, they may say they've got it, but stop working the moment they hit a roadblock. That doesn't mean they're not interested, it just means they may not yet know how to push through. Even quick check-ins like asking about their plan or reviewing their pricing can help them stay engaged and feel proud of what they're doing. If possible, we recommend going through the guidebook page by page together, whether it's all at once or just a few minutes at a time. The guide is easy to follow and helps your child think and act like a real entrepreneur. Here's what they'll be learning. Goal setting, choosing something to work toward and breaking it into steps. Customer thinking, understanding who their product is for and why it might appeal to them. Sales planning, picking the best time, place, and method to sell. Pricing and profit math, learning how to charge fairly and earn money from their work. Marketing and communication, talking about their products with confidence and clarity. Customer service, responding to problems with kindness and follow-through. Problem solving and resilience, learning to ask, what else could I try, instead of giving up. How you can help. However you choose to be involved, your support helps your child stay confident, focused, and proud of what they're building. You don't need to be a business expert, just a steady, positive presence. Here are a few simple ways to support them. Ask about their goals. Help them fill out the goal worksheet. Are they saving for something specific? Is this about learning, connecting with friends, or earning money? Review their business plan. Check out their simple business plan. Who are they selling to? When and where? What will they say? And recognize that they created a plan. This is the hardest step in creating a business. Role-play sales conversations. Practice with them. Pretend to be a customer so they feel confident introducing themselves, describing their products, and making a sale. Track progress together. Use the provided charts to track spending, earnings, and profits. Celebrate small wins and talk through any setbacks. Guide pricing and shipping. Use the pricing guide to double-check how much they should charge and help calculate and add shipping if selling outside your area. Support customer service. If someone receives a damaged or incorrect item, encourage your child to take responsibility and swap it out. For extra help, contact us at help@YoungCEOSquad.com. Celebrate effort, and for solving problems on their own and for their resilience. Let's break it down to the 3 most important things you can do to help your child start their Young CEO Squad business. Number 1, encourage fun while learning. When your child is having fun, they're not just playing, they're growing. The more positive this experience feels, the more likely they'll say, I want to do that again. Number 2, your support matters. Even a little encouragement helps. Whether it's reviewing a plan or just asking how things are going, your involvement teaches them how to stick with something and believe in themselves. Number 3, help them get back up again. Not every plan will work, And that's okay. Your job isn't to fix it. It's to help them see challenges as puzzles they're capable of solving. Bouncing back from challenges and thinking creatively when plans change is a great muscle to build for their future. Explore more tools and videos at YoungCEOSquad.com/learn, and know that whatever time and energy you give is helping your child build something really special.